Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn the sakin and how to read it. And before we start reading the Arabic, I want you to mention the huruf qalqala.
Qalqala.
What are huruf qalqala? Can you mention them?
G.
How many are huruf qalqala?
Wow. Ta. 5.
5. Yes, you are right. Now, can you name them?
Wow. Ta. I mean G. Wow. Ta. To. Uh.
Qaf,
To.
ta,
To. Wow.
qaf, ta, ba,
Wow. Jim.
dal.
Dal.
Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal.
Wow. Jim. Dal.
Qaf,
Ko.
ta,
To.
ba.
Wow. Jim. Dal.
Yes. So these 5 are huruf qalqala. Read again. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Qaf,
Dal.
ta, ba, jim, dal.
Ko. To. Ba. Jim. Dal.
When they are sakin, we perform qalqala on them. Okay.
Okay.
So now, can you read this? Hamza, ba, zabar.
Hamza. Zabar.
Hamza, ba, zabar. Hamza, ba, zabar, ab.
Ab.
Hamza, ba, zir, ib.
Ib. Hamza wa Zabar. Ib.
No. Zabar, ab. Zir, ib.
Zabar. Zir. Ib.
And Hamza, ba, pesh, at.
At.
Hamza, ta, zir,
It.
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 Hamza, ta, pesh,
Ut.
at.
At.
It,
It.
ut.
Ut. Ub.
Shabash. Very nice. Ab,
Ab.
ib,
Ib.
ub.
Ub.
Hamza, ta, zabar.
Next wala.
Yes. Now
Next
Hamza,
wala
sa.
pare.
Yes, beta. Hamza, sa.
Hamza sa Zabar. F.
Yes.
Hamza ta Zir. Is.
ठीक है.
Hamza sa Pesh. Us.
Yes.
वो क्या था? Next wala.
नहीं, अब इसको एक
We're still on this wala.
अब इसको all together पढ़ेंगे ना. अस, इस, उस.
Us. 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 Is. Us.
शाबाश. हमजा जी.
X. Hamza Jim Zabr Sha
अज.
Aj.
Yes.
Hamza Hamza Jim Zer Ij.
ठीक है.
Hamza, Hamza, Jim, Pesh, Uj.
Okay. Now all
हाँ
together.
Aj, Ij, Uj.
Shabash. Aj, ij,
Aj,
uj.
Uj.
Because Jim is huruf qalqala. Qaf, ta, ba, Jim, dal. So that's why aj,
Ij,
uj.
Uj.
Okay, so this is your new chapter, and the formula you undertook it, or you have understand it nicely. Inshallah, this will be easy for you. Okay, read this line from the chapter number 9.
Okay. Meanwhile, the bird, Mo,
Hmm.
tall